When did Little Richard start his career? Have you ever wondered how one of rock and roll's most vibrant figures got his start? Little Richard, known for his flamboyant style and energetic performances, began his career in show business at a young age. He first entertained classmates in grade school, quickly gaining a reputation for his lively personality and natural talent. His early years were filled with gospel music and church-sponsored piano lessons, which laid a solid musical foundation for him. By the late 1940s and early 1950s, Little Richard was actively performing in various musical groups and vaudeville acts. Around 1950, he joined his first band, Buster Brown's Orchestra, where he adopted the stage name Little Richard. During this time, he performed in minstrel shows and vaudeville circuits, sometimes even in drag. This experience helped him hone his skills as a live entertainer, especially in Atlanta's vibrant club scene. Little Richard's professional recording career began when he met local disc jockey Zenas Sears. Sears recorded him with Billy Wright's band, which led to a contract with RCA Victor in the early 1950s. His first single, Every Hour, was released in 1951 and became a local hit in Georgia. This marked his official entry into the music industry. While these early recordings were rooted in rhythm and blues and jump blues styles, it was not until the mid-1950s that Little Richard truly made his mark in rock and roll. His breakthrough came with the releases of Tutti, Frutti in late 1955. This song quickly climbed the rhythm and blues charts, introducing his wild and energetic style to a national audience. This period is often seen as the true beginning of his impact on rock and roll. Little Richard's early career in the 1950s laid the groundwork for his later success. His transition from gospel and blues to rock and roll was marked by a unique blend of musical influences and a flamboyant stage presence. His willingness to push boundaries inspired countless rock artists who followed him. His story is a clear example of how diverse musical backgrounds and live performance experience can shape the evolution of a genre.